5 Effective Ways to Start Learning to Code. Welcome back, tech enthusiasts. Today, we're diving into the exciting world of coding. Whether you're a complete beginner or someone looking to expand their skill set, learning to code can open up a world of opportunities. So, let's explore 5 effective ways to kickstart your coding journey. 1. Online coding platforms. Online coding platforms offer interactive courses on various programming languages. They provide step-by-step guidance and hands-on exercises, making learning to code engaging and accessible. Platforms like Codecademy offer courses on languages like Python, JavaScript, and more, catering to learners of all levels. 2. YouTube tutorials and channels. YouTube is a goldmine of coding tutorials and channels. From beginner-friendly guides to in-depth explanations, you can find resources on almost any programming topic. Follow along with coding tutorials, pause, rewind, and practice at your own pace. Channels like Traverse Media and FreeCodeCamp offer quality content for aspiring developers. 3. Interactive coding challenges. Interactive coding challenges are a fantastic way to apply what you've learned and improve your problem-solving skills. Websites like HackerRank and LeetCode offer a plethora of challenges to tackle. Challenge yourself with algorithmic problems, participate in coding competitions, and even compare your solutions with others to learn different approaches. 4. Join coding communities. Being part of coding communities can accelerate your learning journey. Websites like Stack Overflow and GitHub are invaluable resources for asking questions, sharing knowledge, and collaborating on projects. Don't hesitate to seek help when you're stuck. Remember, the coding community is incredibly supportive, and there's always someone willing to lend a hand. 5. Build real projects. Finally, nothing beats hands-on experience. Start building real projects to apply your coding skills and showcase your creativity. Whether it's a simple website, a mobile app, or a game, projects give you practical experience and something tangible to add to your portfolio. And there you have it, folks. 5 effective ways to start learning to code. Remember, the key is consistency and practice. So, roll up your sleeves, dive in, and happy coding. Don't forget to subscribe and hit the like button if you enjoyed the video.